bisa sem ye na dua fie no wo senka ye nuanom mfiri ho mra no na wasesa omama eje omatomu ewo potem no me ayagodo etie nso mpampi ebi wo yehu so omomra kwa na asene ma agensemu mo aye mra se bedwafo yi ede na mo hu na ede na wo se omamu nyina ye fa ho.
Well, ye prisons and some that will be a commercial. Whether you are a politician, whether you are a businessman, whether you are a priest, whether you are a chief, Utoto prison, a JJ a Kwabisono, now and Audi Huabro. Because it is normally said, and it is true, that everybody is a potential prisoner. Everybody is a potential prisoner, right? And then me free hey, me to make car, make unintended. Was your other car copy mobi, maybe a woo, and ya but whether it's manslaughter or murder, you may see the walls of a prison. You get the point? And prison, your baby. Say yesusu say sabio admoya fo nkwan na ho a akwan bi so na ye di ehunya enu nti e na hia say ese ye ni kɔ ho na ye hwɛ ho ye hu say omo ho so ye nipa womo afa ahodie ene womo ye die ese eda obi akoma so enu nti na some of us in our own private way kaka betimi and their support to prisons because South America is a place nobody knows tomorrow. You may end up there. I don't think Mami Obedi prison so this initiative say ye can know near Apomudin prison for Wombe Komono what the atono so while launching Wakra. Na that I commander so Ashanti so are taking our you know before say ya sombo pa because all prisons now share one more sitrem titre one more and na yem we da we tiko ada we na wahani ade it means that communicable diseases bebre it is ya hwe na say ya de no ba na emprempre no ya intimacy ado e betima spread all over. It is Mami a design initiative for Yaba. When Yaba initiate Mami no her own initiative or the bar. Use the idea when he say you support them. That is why I end there some more parliament. Yesterday I was presiding and I was supposed to preside, but I sneak out. Say the person of course the commander no had was insisting say memomodi na memra support to. Me need in come over so here MPs yaba donate. I arrange so you come and meet all the Ashanti MPs. Na oni ebe kasa ye and no neto yakoma so a ama be that donation. And see say enka ho ye be koso na ya support send ye be ya. So very good initiative ya ma be dia by no. Ye betumi ama no akoso.
Okay, yeah, but non-custodial sentence. When is it going to be passed in Parliament? I think some more will be so to Kakatre. And we say that they are very congested prisons council.
When you say non-custodial sentence, the person they say the bill be by what happens this year. I know your community service bill. Yeah, say Sabio and Opemsuo bebre for 4 years do amba prison. And you bebre and a quite bisono. Say the first custodial sentence. A do a while. If he say and yeah, a moon not bebre say as a man back on the fiancé. This bill no you go so and check where pass it. They say what consideration. The real consideration be third reading near pass it. The essence of it, they say, most of the thinkers are bonnet and Yaman getting a nipa a year to call a fiasino. A Korea board here, a Korean Yaman getting it. And oh, yeah, this is your Duba fiasino. Yabema Wakonya. Na Ebikwa community now, Okoya Sabon in Wono, Edwako, na Wakoya Juma. So about Kodo, Sagata on about Koditimo, Sagana on Abeyo, any service be if you say Betinamoye, that's why be so. And also no a better collective measure no. Now what you made the attitude, that's why we are passing that law. And no Babua, Ama 1. And for sure, and so on, your men can go to prisons. 2. A Babua prisons. Nipa ya home man. So better. Senya dia so bopas as a local prisoner. Then for uncle. Na Abuama Abanso, Sika is here the prison. A prison for near the Adinano, that's what it. And no nearby to 20 room, that's what it. And in effect, you know, see a passing that law. We are addressing a lot of issues. And a bail, no, some of us feel a very important bail. Yeah, passing.